Hi everyone, welcome back. My name is Emelie. In this video I will be creating 3 tags using the new Nibbles dies. These are very fun die sets that come all attached and they are super easy to use. I cut mine out in one go. You can see how easy this is. Then I took a sticky paper, this is sort of like a post-it note, and pressed all of my dots for my mushroom out on top of it, so I had them there. I did the same thing for my eyes and the mouth for my acorn mice, mushroom and my ghost. And then I could on another piece of paper color them in separately. So that is the beauty of these. You can cut them out of white and then color them whatever color you prefer. And I picked my Olo markers and my Copic markers from my stash and just used them on top of my die cut pieces. Don't forget to color the edge of your cardstock as well, if that will be shown. It really helps your project look finished. So I just kept going like this on top of my acorn. It's really nice. You can see the lines there on top of it, so you know how far down you would like to go. And as I said, the nice thing is you can mix and match your colors in any way you like, so there is no right or wrong with these. They are really fun to create with. And it's also nice because if you don't have a lot of different shades of cardstock in your stash, this is a great way of extending it by just coloring it in any color you like. And I did some dots as well. I just thought I would tie in with the whole look here. And then we have sort of our candy here, our little, I think it's our little ghost here. And for the bottom part I picked a darker orange color, and I actually looked at the packaging of this to get a color inspiration, and I think that is nice. It's there for helping you create, so it's nice when you can get an idea of which color you like to use. And for my hat I went with purple. Once again, that is also inspiration from the packaging, and yeah, I just think this was super adorable. I will have a darker purple at the bottom of this little ghost. And for being able to put my eyes and my mouth back in, I took some low-tack adhesive to the back and then just pressed them in place. And then I can glue this down on top of our ghost here. And there you go, he's so cute! Fits perfectly. And then I will attach my little hat as well. You could totally do this with some dimension if you like. I kept mine quite simple today. We'll have it hanging there, and I did the same thing for my mushroom here. I attached the eyes and the mouth with some low-tack adhesive to the back, and for the acorn I just attached this to the hat, and then I can attach it back on with some dimension. I think these are just adorable. I had a blast creating these. They were super easy to use. And then I picked a couple of pattern papers from the latest release. So we have Let's Be Fungi, a fall, evening and autumn scenery, and I paired them with my different characters here, and I cut them out with the basic die cutting system 1. That is a favorite of mine. I have been using them in so many videos, and I will of course have them also listed down below for you. But the nice thing is that they I could cut like a tag from one of those shapes, you will see it here in a second, out of those pattern papers, and that gave me the shape of my tag. So these are coming well together. You can see how they look, and here's that system that I was talking about. I will take this and cut it out, and you can see I can save the leftovers for another project if I like. And here we go, we have our backdrops for our characters, and the little mushroom guy here, I think it's in this one there is a sentiment and I used it for one of the tags, Fall Friend, and I used a couple of leaves as well, or Fall Friends even. So here we go, we have some leaves. I will attach them as well. Can't forget the dot here on top of our letter, and some foam tape to the back of him. Oh god, he looks so cute. I just love him. And then we have the leaves here. I just tuck them there. And for our other sentiment, I will stack the black boo here with some gold matte cardstock and some black. I did the same for the bats. So they will be gold and black, and it really stands out nicely from our busy background there. So that is also something to think about when you're creating. And high fall, and we have our acorn, some mushrooms, and then I took another white tag, and then we have the colored and the white, and I'm pressing them together, and then using my, I think you can say like crocodile, just to make a hole in it, and then I'm taking some low-tech adhesive to keep them together, so you can have a message on the inside if you like. So there we go, we have our holes ready, and I just took some ribbon and some twine and just tied a little bow at the top. And that pretty much finishes off all of our projects for today. I hope you enjoyed this video on how you can use the new Nibbles plates, and I hope you also enjoyed taking a look at how you can easily create your own tags. And yeah, I will have links down below for all of the products that I used in this video, and thank you so much for stopping by our channel today, and until next time, have a great day. Bye!